Hey, dude and dudettes, say what up? It's your boy, Dude Mungus. My downstairs is a complete mess. Look at this. All of this is going on because we are preparing for track day. When you see this video, I will already be at Road Atlanta. The bike, the bat, is ready for that action. Very rare form to see the bat at stock height. Had to tape over my front lights. So how they like it, they don't want any lights showing on the front or back because they don't want anyone getting startled, like if you're hitting the brakes or whatever. Like I got a little bit showing through there, but that's not going to be, that bad. They don't want anyone to be startled or surprised. Like, oh my God, this guy's on the brakes and freaking everyone out. But the bat is ready. Got my number on the front. Custom 828. I tried to, whatever. I tried to do something. But yeah, this is not a long episode. I just want you guys to know we are ready for the track. Also got my new pit bike over here. Get this out the way. Right. My downstairs is a mess. Got my new pit bike. Nope. Don't drink, kids. My new pit bike on the way. New sponsorship. Stay tuned more on this. This weekend is going to be, this week at the track is going to be my first time trying this out. So I will let you guys know what I think about this and how it works. But it's actually pretty cool. I think it's already in the on position. Turn it on. Yeah, it's pretty neat, man. It's a power assisted bike. It's pretty daggum dope. But let's not use all that battery. We will get into that. Like I said, we will get into that later. Let me show you what the van looks like. We getting out this piece because I need to get some sleep. I need to be fully rested and prepared for tomorrow. Got new rubber just in case. You never know we need the new rubber. Some of this other stuff is coming with me. Got the Dude Mungus cooler in the back. Oh man. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's full. It's full in there. If any of you guys was paying attention, you've seen a sneak peek of the new suit. So stay tuned for that full review that is coming out. But anyway, it is late. I got to get up early in the morning. I'll be getting up at 3:30 in the morning so I can meet up with a buddy so we can get to the track. Track is always fun, but it's always a lot to get together. So I'm going to get out of here, spend some time with the family, and then... yeah, man, check my Instagram. I will be doing updates on Instagram as far as like what's going on at your track day and stuff like that. So if you want to stay updated, definitely check out Instagram. I'll try to put some stuff on YouTube here and there, but Instagram it's always just the easiest platform to update stuff on. Anyway, dude and dudettes, I'm not tripping. We're about to get out of here. I do need to make a new, I always make a dash when we head out to the racetrack. And I've been rocking this one for a while, which I really love this one, but I do need to make something for the racetrack. So I got to get upstairs and figure out what I'm doing with that too. It's going to be fun, man. It's just going to be fun. We're going to have a great time at the track. Before I get out of here, I have to give a huge shout out to CARDO. None of this would have been possible if CARDO didn't help out in the way that they did, because you guys know from the last episode, the bike, it didn't get hit, but someone unfortunately made the bike fall over and caused a lot of damage. And I was ready to be like, you know what, whatever, just forget it. And CARDO said, no, we got you, Mungus. Let's make this happen. So CARDO, shout out to CARDO. They, so you can see, you might not be able to tell, but this bar is carbon fiber. This bar is aluminum. But anyway, it will get the job done for what we need it for at the track. So shout out to CARDO for making sure that I'm good. And here is the other damage on the back. My rear set got damaged. My tuner B replaced this for me. And then here are the scratches and stuff. This is more cosmetic, really not that bad. Stator cover got some scratches on it, but you know what? It is what it is. We're going to be making it to track day. Fork seal started leaking. It was probably getting close to that time anyway, but definitely the incident made it worse and made it happen. But huge shout out to CARDO, man. They always make sure I'm taken care of, and always making sure I'm able to represent. And I'm kind of excited and a little nervous because the shop owner Opie said, Mungus, I'm not playing any games no more. He's like, I'm coming out on a thou wow. I said, what you mean the thou wow? He's like, I'm bringing out the Gsxr 1000. I said, oh. Just like on John Wick, when he was like, I heard you struck my son. He was like, you stole John Wick's car and killed his dog. He was like, oh. That's what I said when Opie said he was bringing out the Gsxr 1000. I said, oh. Okay, so we're going to see what happens. We have this thing. We already know Opie is the faster rider, but the back straight, we're going to see what happens on the back straight. And, the bat versus the shop owner. Let's see what happened. Both of the bikes tuned by B. So, yeah, we're going to see what happened. Anyway, I'm out of here. I'm done babbling. I appreciate y'all rocking with me. You know who it is. It's your boy, Dude Mungus.